Okay, I don't know why it is. Every time I want to try something new, it rains. I get a new camera, it rains. I get a new microphone, it rains. I get a new anything. For some reason, it brings the rain. Anyway, we got a break in the rain. The sun finally came out. I'm just doing a quick little test with that DJI Mic 2. So for the first test, I just have it the way it came right out of the box. Synced it up with the camera, no issues. I didn't adjust the gain or anything. I didn't set the noise limiter, filter, whatever you want to call it. Standard audio, it's not 32-bit float. So we're just going to do a quick little test and see how my voice sounds, see if the wind affects it at all. I would rather have been out testing on the motocross track today, but man, the rain we've had the last couple days, all the tracks are a mess. So we'll see how this little thing works out. So while the camera's waterproof, the microphone is not. Definitely gonna have to seal up that little port, keep dirt and mud out. It's my primary use for having this thing is gonna be for motocross. One thing that's a little disappointing is the 32-bit float. That audio is saved directly on the wireless mic. It doesn't transfer straight over to the video. I haven't dealt with that yet, but I'm just disappointed that it's an extra step you have to go through when you do your little editing process to make the videos. It's just one more thing you got to do. So like I said, this is test number 1, straight out of the box. Gain might be set a little too high. I don't have the wind muff on there, so I just kind of want to see if we have any issues with wind. Man, it looks beautiful out. More rain on the way, so it's not going to last. Okay, here we go. Test number 2. I did a quick listen on my first little video. Wasn't bad. So I reduced the gain to -5. The way it was right out of the box was at 0. And then I put the little dead cat on there. So we'll do another quick little test, see how that works out. I thought the audio of the first test was pretty good. But the way this microphone is on my helmet, I mean, it is right next to my mouth. So I think it was just a little bit too close, you know, to have the gain set at 0. So now at -5. Got the dead cat on there. See how it does. So being that I'm on the dual sport, a little bit higher speeds, and get a good indication of how this thing does with the wind. The adjustment I couldn't think of earlier, noise cancellation. So that'll be the next thing I try if the sound isn't where I want it. And get up to about 40 miles an hour. See how it handles the wind. Kind of expecting it to be pretty good. I couldn't believe how fast these things went out of stock. I just seen them show up on the DJI store website. First thing in the morning I saw them. I thought, okay, as soon as I get home from work, I'll order one. And wouldn't you know, the black ones were already out of stock. Since I just wanted to get one microphone, I didn't want to get the kit, I didn't want to get the receiver, the charging box, all I wanted is just one mic. So when you order them separate, it's $99. The black ones were already out of stock. So I went on Amazon, looked around, and every place that I could see one, the wait time was like 2 to 3 weeks just to get it. The white ones, however, you could still get. So 2-day delivery, I got a white one. That's fine with me. I don't care, black or white. What I didn't expect is that the dead cat is also pearly white. So in a motocross situation, I'm thinking this thing's gonna look pretty rank in a short amount of time. So first thing on my list is going to be to order a couple more. Of course, wouldn't you know, on the DJI store website, I didn't see any. I didn't see where I could order them separate yet under the accessories or anything. So it may take a little while for that to come around. Okay, so we're getting pretty close to the end of test number 2. Another thing I noticed mounting this thing inside my helmet wasn't as easy as I was expecting. It's just not a lot of room, and I had to make like a little plastic mount to attach the magnet to. And then, you know, what is the deal? Thing just died on me. I'm glad I'm close to home. I wonder if I'm out of gas. Probably ought to look into that, huh? Maybe that's why the dumb thing was dying on me. Well, you know what? I'm a lot lower on gas than I thought. Maybe that's enough to get me home. Three houses up the street.